Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video and I'm really excited because today we're going to be moving on over to creating an organized with me video. I absolutely love doing these for you guys, and then you guys could also get like some sort of inspiration, motivation, or just some ideas, and let me know down below in the comments what you guys do to organize your stuff or whatever if you'd like to share. But here I just have like a couple of stickers and water decals that I have to cut up and put into place. So I'm thinking of making like maybe I actually have a binder, but I don't want to get that binder out at the moment because there's like a lot of organizing that always has to be done. If you have a nail area, you would understand that. But yeah, so here, by the way, I'm extremely behind on YouTube. I have so much PR I have not done. I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not, but I'm just trying to like film as much as I possibly can. But these are my nails of the week. I've been doing my nails every week. I really enjoy just changing them up and stuff. So yeah, I just did a really cute like girly one because pink is my favorite color. I love all shades of pink. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to do like a dedicated album of just water decals if I'm able to, and then I'm gonna cut some other water decals like the ones that come in sheets like this, and then we're just gonna get to organizing more in-depth type of video. You guys will see the whole process. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still here, you still support my content, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support. So I'm actually going to start off by just removing them from where they belong. I think I want to have this one as well, so I'm just going to go ahead and move this on over to the side. So this is pretty much it for today's video. This was more time consuming than I expected, but I'm definitely happy that I got it done. I decided that I was going to do this method at least for now until I get maybe individuals in the near future, and I could put them in a binder and show you guys that process like I've done in the past. But actually usually I just insert these water decals in a binder, so in some baseball card slots. So I'm actually do that in a near future video, but for now this is better than how I had them, because before I didn't even know I had all these water decals. And the difference between a water decal is that a water decal is kind of like a tattoo that you used to place on your arm if you did when you were a child. So pretty much you cut out the image that you desire, then you place it in some lukewarm water for about 10 seconds, and you release it out of the water. And remember to remove the film before or after. I recommend before placing it in the water, just so you don't forget. And then you place it directly onto the nail, making sure that there's no little air bubbles or anything like that. And then you go ahead and place your top coat once you've placed it to where you desire. So there is a difference between a water decal and a sticker or a decal, because I know some people refer to stickers as decals, but water decals, they always have the word water before the decal, just because it is placed on in a different way. But it's super easy, and I honestly absolutely love them. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. Subscribe if you haven't already, it would mean the world. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave your thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. Thank you guys once again. And if you'd like to support me, down below in the description I do have my Etsy shops, which I do sell some mystery bags if you'd like to see. I have minimalized my site. Now I only have like I believe like 3 listings. You guys can see them if you're interested. But yeah, thank you so much for all the love and support that I received on my last video. I really appreciate you all. So thank you guys once again, and I'll see you in the next upload.